Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally join the Man Fam because yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video. I'm going to be showing you guys my room, and right now it's kind of like having a fall vibe to it because it is fall. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. This video is also sponsored by two different companies, so make sure to keep watching so that you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, everybody. So if you're coming from the door and you look to the left, there is this just blank white wall, and this is really good for filming YouTube videos, or if I want to get a backdrop in the future, then I could just use this space and it would just be very easy. My ideal plan though is to get shelves kind of like here and then up there, and then I could put some of my things on there, but for now it is just this big blank wall. Along the white wall, I also have a mirror, and it is just a full body length mirror from Target, and I believe this was on sale for $5 and I got it about a year ago. Today we are wearing some Christmas pajamas and a sports bra because yeah, I have this cut out of a newspaper article that my dad gave to me. This is just a full body length mirror. Then off to the side, I have my desk area, and a bunch of y'all have been asking me where I get some of the things from my desk, so I'm just gonna go splurge and tell y'all. My desk itself is from IKEA. I got this with the top, so this came together. It's just some Alex drawers and then like a tabletop. And then this chair is also from IKEA as well. It is just a rolly chair, and I spilled makeup on it because love makeup, but it's a really good chair and I like it a lot. In this corner, I have some of my makeup organizer things. I've just got some of my lip glosses in here, and then some extra like thumb drives and all that stuff. Then I've got my makeup brushes, my mirror, this little succulent plant. And then I thought this was pretty cute for fall. I have been meaning to write something on this chalkboard strip, but I haven't gotten the chance to. So for now, it's just this fall decor thing. Then over here, I have my caboodle from Target, and this is literally like my favorite thing ever because when I was younger, I used to have a caboodle, and this totally reminds me of my childhood. So basically inside here is just this, and then you can open it to a mirror. For this side, I'm gonna turn this off really quick so I can show you this. I just have this sign that says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and I thought that was very appropriate for fall. And then I have these little cards that I got with my friend Ramsey in Fredericksburg, Texas. Just little note cards that you can read to make your day better. Then I have something so exciting, and I'm so glad that I can share it with you guys. So for today's video, I am partnering with two different companies. This is the first one, and oh my goodness, you guys, I have been loving this product. Amazing, and I'm so glad that they wanted to work with me because they're just so sweet, and their brand and products are amazing. This company called Amped & Co. sent me this little decor light. It is a neon light, and I'm so in love with it. It reminds me of like YouTube ideas, like coming up with ideas and just being smart. And then on the back is this little switch, and this is what it looks like. So this is it with the lights turned off. It is just this nice neon and beautiful light. It's got this yellow on the inside, and then on the outer ring, it's this white, and I think it is so cool. And then I cannot forget about my clock that I literally shattered in one of my vlogs. Comment down below if you actually saw that vlog. Now moving on for my desk, I have my nightstand, and it's kind of like messy on the bottom, so when we get down there, just ignore that. The nightstand is actually from IKEA. I built it, so I was pretty proud of myself. The first thing that I have is this picture frame that sits right on the corner, and it's this little quote that goes along with one of the other cards. Then below that, I have a book, and I have been reading this book. And by the way, if you know me, I literally hate reading, so go check out this book. It's called The Finnish Way, and I really want to visit Finland one day because that's what this whole book is about. Then next to that, I have this wooden coaster from Michaels, and then above that, I have this little glass decor plate with some earrings as well as a lipstick from MAC. Then next to that, I have my lamp, and this lamp is actually from Target. It's this rose gold and marble lamp, and at the top, I have this product that I'm so excited to share with you guys. This product, as well as my phone case, is from this brand called Quirky Booth, and their Instagram will be right here, so make sure to go give them a follow. I'm literally in love with this because the phone case that they sent me is this like suitcase and luggage one, so it's really cute because it has these wheels. And basically how this ring light works is you clip it onto your phone like this at the top, and you press this button so that whenever you're taking pictures in dark areas, it'll be lighter, and there's different levels. So huge thank you to Quirky Booth for sending me that. Love y'all a lot. All right, then below is where we get a bunch of messy stuff. It's kind of a mess back here, but I tried to make it look good. This one, I just have a bunch of stuff. I've got like this room spray, some lotion, chargers, and expo markers. And then on this side, I've got some journals and books. A lot of these books I've had to read for like summer projects or just school. And then in the middle, I have this sign that is the letter C, and it lights up. And this is from Michaels, I believe. Then to the right of my nightstand is my bed, and I'm really bad at making my bed, so in case you couldn't tell. Oh my gosh, I'm literally realizing how bad that looks. So this is my bed, and I decided to go with a blush pink theme because I just love blush pink. At the top of my bed, I have a headboard, and a bunch of y'all have been asking where this headboard is from. It is actually from the website called Wayfair. And then I have these fairy lights as well that are on the top, and these are from Target. My bedspread is from Target. This pillow is from Altered State, and then the rest of the pillows are from Target. But yeah, this is the overview so far. Then I have this deer head, and I do not actually go hunting, so I do not have a real deer in my room, but this one is just cute for any other season, so that's why I like it. And this is from Michaels. It says, "Leaves are falling, autumn is calling." Down here I have my trash can, and this has been a blessing. You can literally see like the dust. I'm very clean. And then I have this other table, and now all I have on it is my Apple Watch where I charge it, some of these little jars from Target, this little plant from Maggie, this Polaroid of Ella and I when we were like really little, and then I have a diffuser which is like kind of reflecting really weird, so sorry about that. And then above that little table I have this picture of these two eyelashes, and Paige actually gave this to me, one of my best friends, so I really love it and it's very cute. Next to that is my closet, which maybe I'll do another video, but you do not want to see my closet right now because it's really messy. But then we have my piano, and this is where I create all of my music. I have this mirror right here because my desk used to be here, and a bunch of people are like, why do you sing or play piano and then look at yourself? But it's actually because it has these special hooks, and if we like took it off, then it would be a big hassle and there would be a big hole in the wall. So we're leaving that there, and yeah, my piano is just under it. And then my piano also came with this bench that is tucked into it. All right, kiddos, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!